What if the idea of a pickup truck had completely changed overnight? What if strength no longer meant noise, fuel, and smoke, but silence, intelligence, and instant force? For decades, trucks have been defined by engines, exhaust notes, and raw mechanical power. But what happens when electricity replaces combustion and performance doesn't disappear, it multiplies? This is not a future prediction. This is not a prototype meant to grab headlines. Today, we are looking at a vehicle that challenges everything we thought a truck should be. Before you even consider buying an electric pickup, there are critical things you need to understand.
Welcome to Aussie Rev, the channel where modern machines meet real-world thinking. Here, we don't sell hype and we don't follow brand loyalty. We break down vehicles the way real buyers should, honestly, deeply, and without shortcuts. If you care about next-generation technology, bold engineering decisions, and vehicles that redefine categories, you're in the right place. Today's episode is especially important because the truck we're discussing isn't just new. It represents a turning point in how power, capability, and responsibility can exist together.
The 2026 Hummer EV pickup is not trying to be familiar. It doesn't borrow ideas from traditional trucks, and it doesn't soften its personality to please everyone. This vehicle exists to make a statement about what electric performance can achieve when limits are removed. From its size to its stance, everything about it communicates dominance, confidence, and intent. This isn't a lifestyle accessory designed for image. It's a purpose-built machine engineered to challenge both gas-powered trucks and electric rivals at the same time. At first glance, the Hummer EV looks massive, squared, and unapologetically bold. Its proportions are intentionally aggressive, with sharp edges and flat surfaces that project strength. The wide track and tall ride height give it a planted, almost military-like presence on the road. LED lighting signatures stretch across the front, creating a futuristic identity that's instantly recognizable day or night. Aerodynamic elements are integrated subtly, improving efficiency without sacrificing visual impact. This is a design that refuses to blend in, no matter where it's parked. Traditional trucks rely on revs, gears, and noise to feel powerful. The Hummer EV delivers force in a completely different way. The moment you press the accelerator, torque arrives instantly and without hesitation. There is no delay, no gear hunting, and no buildup, just immediate forward motion. This changes how acceleration feels in a truck of this size. Instead of drama, you get confidence, control, and shocking speed delivered in silence. Range anxiety has been one of the biggest concerns with electric trucks. The 2026 Hummer EV addresses this with advanced battery architecture and intelligent energy management. The system constantly adapts to driving style, terrain, and load to maximize efficiency. Whether you're commuting, towing, or exploring off-road, power is distributed intelligently. Fast charging capability reduces downtime, making long trips more realistic than ever. This truck is designed to be used, not babied. This pickup doesn't just move forward, it thinks. Software plays a central role in how the Hummer EV operates and improves over time. Over-the-air updates allow performance tuning, feature upgrades, and system refinements remotely. The truck you buy today is not the same truck you'll own years from now. Navigation, terrain data, and system diagnostics are all integrated seamlessly. It's a vehicle that evolves alongside its owner. Step inside and the contrast is immediate. The cabin feels modern, premium, and intentionally designed rather than utilitarian. Large digital displays provide clear access to vehicle data, navigation, and off-road systems. The interface is responsive and logically arranged, minimizing distraction. Materials feel durable but refined, blending toughness with comfort. This is a space built for long journeys, not just short drives. Despite its aggressive nature, comfort has not been ignored. Seats are supportive, adjustable, and designed for extended driving sessions. Climate control, noise insulation, and ambient lighting create a calm interior atmosphere. Whether on highways or remote trails, fatigue is reduced significantly. This makes the Hummer EV suitable not just for adventure, but for everyday life. It's a truck that adapts to different roles without losing its identity. This is where the Hummer EV truly separates itself. Advanced four-wheel steering dramatically improves maneuverability in tight spaces. Adaptive air suspension adjusts ride height automatically based on terrain conditions. Multiple drive modes allow precise control over sand, mud, rocks, and snow. Underbody cameras provide real-time visibility of obstacles beneath the vehicle. Off-roading becomes calculated and controlled rather than stressful. Safety in the Hummer EV is comprehensive and thoughtfully implemented. Driver assistance systems work in the background to enhance awareness. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and collision avoidance reduce fatigue. The goal is not to take control away from the driver, but to support them. This is especially important in a vehicle of this size and power. Confidence comes from knowing the systems are always watching. Electric power allows this truck to exist without direct emissions. Eco-conscious materials are integrated into its construction where possible. Efficiency improvements don't come at the cost of capability. This proves that sustainability and strength don't have to conflict. For buyers who care about the future, this balance matters. It's a step toward responsible performance. This is not an entry-level vehicle. Maintenance costs differ from traditional trucks, but fuel savings balance long-term expenses. Charging infrastructure and driving habits will influence ownership experience. The Hummer EV demands understanding, not impulse buying. Those who adapt will benefit the most. This truck rewards informed owners. Compared to other electric pickups, the Hummer EV prioritizes capability over minimalism. It focuses on extreme performance rather than pure efficiency. Against gas-powered trucks, it delivers something entirely different. Instant torque, software intelligence, and off-road tech give it a unique edge. It doesn't replace traditional trucks, it challenges them, and that's exactly the point. This truck is not for everyone. If you want quiet, subtle transportation, look elsewhere. If you want cutting-edge technology, extreme capability, and bold design, this deserves attention. It appeals to buyers who value innovation as much as power. Before buying, understanding your needs is critical. This vehicle rewards intention, not impulse. The 2026 Hummer EV pickup is more than a vehicle. It's a statement about where trucks are heading. It challenges old definitions and creates new expectations. Electric power here is not a compromise, it's an advantage. For the right buyer, this truck delivers something truly unique, and the industry will feel its impact for years to come. If this breakdown helped you think differently about electric trucks, make sure to support Aussie Rev by subscribing and liking the video. Your feedback shapes what we cover next. Would you choose this over a traditional pickup? Or is there another future vehicle you want us to analyze next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.